Kintas POS Online Training. Welcome to Kintas POS. In this video, we are going to teach you on how to make a transaction using cash payment. First, you need to log in as cashier. In our sales order, we have sales receipt. Take note that before you can make a transaction, you have to input a cash in. Let's proceed to cash in. Input here the total of your cash on hand given by your supervisor. Please don't use a comma. Submit and print the receipt of your total cash in, and you need to give it to the authorized representative to sign. Going back to sales receipt. From this page, on the left top, you can see the home button. You may click this button if you want to go back to the home page. We have barcode scan. You can type here the quantity. For example, 10 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will enter 10 pieces of the item with the barcode 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can also input here one item using barcode scanner. For example, scan the barcode of the item, and it will appear one item only. We have also enter name. You can search the item name here if the scanner is not working. Besides enter name, we have suspend button. You can click this button to hold the transaction if the customer is not yet ready to pay and the next customer will be entertained. Take note that you can use it once per transaction. You can also check your business name and location, time, and date today on the right top. To start the transaction, scan the barcode of the item. Or you can search the item name. After searching, you may input the total quantity and click Add button. On the search item list, there will be a red button. This button is disabled and the item has no quantity in the inventory.
On the left side, we have quantity button. We are going to discuss this on the other video.
On the bottom left, we have billing details. You may check here the total available. VAT 12%. Exempt. Name of the cashier. Subtotal. Discount. And the terminal. On the order list, using X button, you can void the item if the customer wants to change the item. From the right side, you can ask the authorized person to set the type, username, and password to delete the item. We have two types on how to void the item. First is single. It will void only one item in the order list. Second is all. It will void all items in the order list. As you can see, the item is already deleted from the order list. In our sales order, we have different types of payment. First is credit card. On the bottom right, click the Others button if the customer wants to pay through credit card, debit card, coupon, voucher, E+, SM Advantage card. We can also set here the global discount by clicking the discount button. From here, you can set the percent, amount, username and password. Next, we have customer. Just click the customer button to scan or search the customer's name. Before you complete the transaction, you may check the quantity of the purchased item, total amount, and total change. In this transaction, we are going to accept the payment of the customer through cash. On the right side we have mode of payment cash. You can input here the total of cash given by the customer. Once received state.
I received 3,000 pesos.
Enter the amount 3,000, and click Add payment. As you can see, on the right top, the mode of payment cash, and the amount is recorded. Complete sale is now activated. Before you complete sale, ask the customer if there are no more additions. After that, click the Complete Sale to complete the transaction, and a receipt will show. From here, you may input the remarks: name, TIN number, and address. Then click Set. Those details will appear on the receipt. After setting up the details, you can click the Print Sales or Print Order Slip. Order slip is a list of orders what we needs to be done by the kitchen. You can click this button to print the order slip. Once the receipt has started printing, it will trigger the cash drawer to open. You can verify the amount change. Once the receipt has finished printed, hand over to customer the change together with the receipt, and state to the customer:
your change is 900 pesos.
Then click New Sales to take new transaction. Thank you for watching. You may contact us. Our website, email address, phone numbers,